What if gravity stopped working? What if your car turned into a mechanical giant? And what if a giant hand lifted you out of reality? Today, I'll show you how to create all of this in Filmora with AI templates. A mysterious hand from another dimension lifts you like a tiny character in a broken world. Fear disappears, and you share a powerful moment with a wild creature. Our car rises, transforms, and becomes a mechanical legend. Gravity forgets you, and you float between worlds. Your emotions inflate, and your head drifts into the sky. Before we begin, visit my YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. Access AI templates. Open Filmora Desktop. Go to Stock Media, then to AI Media, and then go to Video Inspiration. In the search bar, type the effect you want, like Giant Hand, and get Giant Hand templates. Then search for Balloon Head. To get Balloon Head templates, then search for Aerial to beat the gravity. Click on the template to see the preview. Let's go with a car transformer. Search for a car transformer, and you will get a lot of templates that you can use. Click on the template to see the preview. Select the template. Next, select the template of your choice. Then click here to upload the image of the car, and then adjust the aspect ratio. You can choose between vertical or horizontal, and click on Submit. Make sure to use high-resolution image for better results. Finally, click on Generate, and within a few seconds, you will get your video. Let's see the preview. Color grading. Now let's make it dramatic. Go to the filters and then to the cinematic folder, then apply Sunlight Siesta. You can add more filters to create a unique look, and then adjust the filter opacity. Then go to the vignette and add a bit of it to your footage. Sound effect. Go to the audio and then to the sound effect generator, and write down the prompt for the sound effect you want according to the video. And AI will generate sound effects for you. Place the sound effect onto the timeline and adjust the duration. Then use Topaz Starlight to enhance the footage. Before and after. Here is the before and after of the same footage. Now, create reality-bending videos with AI templates in Filmora. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.